Ever feel like you're sending your resume into a black hole? Like, just crickets no matter what you do.
Yeah, the job market can be tough.
It really can. So today, we are diving into something that claims it can help. It's this online platform, RoleCatcher, and they say they can help you, well, actually land your dream job.
A bold claim.
Totally. So we're going to break it down, see if they can actually back it up. Because, I mean, free, that's the other thing. They say it's free.
Free's always good, but like, is it too good to be true?
Right. That's what we're here to figure out. So they've got this whole suite of features on our website, and it's like a lot. We're going to like go through it all.
Yeah, unpack it.
Okay, so first up is this thing called the Capture plugin.
Capture plugin.
Yeah, so picture this. You're on some like random job board.
Not even LinkedIn.
Yeah, not even LinkedIn, exactly. And you find this listing that's like, oh, that could be interesting, but you don't have time to like really look into it right then.
Or you're worried you'll lose it in the abyss of like all the tabs you have open.
Yes, exactly. So RoleCatcher's like, hold on, we got you. You click this button, the capture button.
One click.
One click. And it saves the job posting, like straight to your RoleCatcher dashboard.
So you don't have to like copy and paste the link somewhere and hope you remember to go back to it.
Exactly. It's all organized. No more like million tabs, lost links, all that.
Okay, I see how that's helpful. I mean, organization is like key when you're job hunting.
Totally. Okay, so then let's talk resumes, right? Because that's like the worst part of applying for jobs.
The worst.
So you spend like all this time tailoring your resume and then, crickets, or worse, you get that generic rejection email.
Oh, the worst.
And it's like, okay, was it even actually seen by a human, or was it just like an algorithm that just tossed it out?
Yeah, those applicant tracking systems.
Exactly. So RoleCatcher says they can help with that too.
Okay, how?
So they have this thing that analyzes both the job description and your resume at the same time.
At the same time.
Yeah, side by side. And it'll flag keywords, skills, all that.
So you can see like where the gaps are.
Yes. And they'll even like recommend which version of your resume to use. Like, let's say you have a couple different versions highlighting different things.
Well, that's smart.
Right, like having a secret weapon against the bots.
I like it. So it's like, okay, you got the application part, but then there's the interview.
Oh, don't even get me started on
A
interviews.
stuff of nightmares.
Seriously. But RoleCatcher, they say they can help with that too.
Okay, now I'm really skeptical. How can they help you prepare for an interview?
So, get this. They have this massive library of interview questions, like over 120,000.
120,000?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah, I know it sounds crazy, right?
A little bit, yeah.
But it's not just like random questions they pulled from the internet.
Okay, good.
They're organized by career, by skill set.
Oh, that's actually really smart.
Right. So you're not like practicing like how to answer, tell me about your greatest weakness when you're trying to get a job as a software engineer.
Yeah, you need more specific questions for that.
Exactly. And it gets even better. Okay, so
Better than 120,000 questions.
okay. Well, maybe not better, but like just as good.
All right, I'm listening.
So they have this AI thing.
AI?
Yeah, where you can like record yourself answering the questions.
Oh, interesting.
And then the AI will like analyze it and give you feedback.
Oh.
I know, it's like having a personal coach, but like, without having to pay for a personal coach.
That's pretty cool.
Right. And here's the thing, all of that, like the capture thing, the resume analysis, the interview questions.
All of that's free.
Free.
Okay, you had me at free, but now I'm like really interested.
Right. So there is a paid version too if you want like even more stuff.
Like what?
Like, I don't know, more personalized career advice or something.
Okay, so they got the free version to get you in, and then if you want to take it to the next level.
Exactly. But like the free version seems really good.
It does. But okay, the real question is, does it actually work? Like, do people actually get jobs using this thing?
That's a good question, right? Because their website's obviously going to say it's amazing.
Yeah, testimonials only go so far.
Exactly. So we did a little digging. And here's the thing. RoleCatcher isn't just for job seekers.
What do you mean?
So they also have a whole section for employers.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah. So companies can actually use RoleCatcher to find candidates.
So it's like a two-way street.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Which I think is really smart because it means they're like actually invested in making the whole job market work better.
Yeah, that's a good point.
And it gets even better. Okay. So you know how sometimes you're like, I don't even know what kind of job I want.
Oh, tell me about it.
Right. So RoleCatcher has you covered there too.
Wait, seriously?
Yeah, they have all these career guides, like over 3,000.
3,000 career guides.
I know. It's crazy. But they cover like tons of industries, roles, all of it. So you can really dive in and be like, okay, what's this about? What's that about?
That's super helpful. I mean, it's like, how else are you supposed to know what's out there unless, you have some kind of guidance?
Right, exactly. Okay, so we've gone through all the features, the resources, like everything RoleCatcher has to offer.
It's a lot.
It's a lot. So what's the verdict?
Okay, so honestly, I went into this, like, pretty skeptical.
Uh,
Free job platform. Yeah, right? But I'm impressed. Like, they're clearly tricked to actually be helpful.
right. It's not just like throw your resume at the wall and see what sticks.
Exactly. And the fact that they have resources for employers, too, that's huge. It shows they're thinking about the whole picture.
Totally. Okay, so bottom line, for anyone listening who's like dreading the job search, feeling lost, all of that.
Or even just curious about, like, what's out there.
Yes. Check out RoleCatcher. Seriously.
You literally have nothing to lose. It's free.
Exactly. Go explore, sign up, see what you think, and hey, maybe you'll find your dream job.
And if not, at least you'll have a better sense of what you're looking for.
Exactly. All right, that's it for our deep dive into RoleCatcher. We'll be back next time with another deep dive into something new and hopefully just as helpful. See you then.